Welcome back. In this video, we'll be writing our first program using the Arduino IDE. So the first program we want to write is to write Hello World to the screen. But microcontrollers by themselves do not have screens. So we have to use our PC. And if we remember last video, we have to use the serial monitor. So with our microcontroller connected to our PC, we are able to send that hello world message. So let's look how we'd actually code this. So first things first, we have a template that is given to us whenever we create a new sketch. Now, the setup is run once the device is started and is used to set up the device for use. The loop runs forever after the setup, and this is where our program will go. Now, when I say forever, this is what it's on. Lastly, we have space outside of these functions, and this is where you can declare global variables. And we'll look at this in the future. So the first thing we're going to add to this template is in the setup, and we're going to add serial.begin 9600. This tells the microcontroller that we want to set up serial communication, and 9600 is the speed of this communication. Now, just to note, there is only some values that we can use here, and you can research that in your own time. In the loop, we want to send the message hello world. And so we write serial.println, meaning print line, hello world. This will continuously send the PC the message hello world over and over and over again as it is in the loop. Now, the microcontroller is running at 16 megahertz. This means our processor is processing instructions very quickly at 62.5 nanoseconds. Now, just to note, this does not mean each line of code takes this amount of time. Rather, it takes longer than this, but it still does mean that each line is executed very quickly. And so what we do is add delay 1000. This is a function that accepts milliseconds and will delay for that time. So we have 1000, so that's going to be 1 second. So now in our loop, the message hello world is sent to the PC, then we wait a second, and then our message is sent again, and then we wait another second, and then a message is sent again, and then we wait another second, and so on, and so on, and so on. And that will continue looping. So now that we have our code written, what we need to do is compile or verify, and once the code works, we need to send it to our microcontroller. From there, you should click on the serial monitor so that we can view what is being sent from the microcontroller. And you should see the serial monitor, which looks like this. And you should see hello world. All right, that's it. Thank you.